closer to my
This is a golden eagle.
Native American roots.
You should have gotten the loon license plate, Nathan.
Ripley. National treasure. Loons are scary though. He's like chilling out. Look at him. He's leaning. Could be the missing wing. Either way, he looks pretty chill.
It's a nest over there.
With all the poops.
All the
Do
poop.
you see the poop? Yeah.
Oh my god.
What?
Is that a heart?
A heart like a human. Oh, it
Yeah.
probably is. That's its food. The Blair Witch has been here.
I don't know.
Oh, he's not happy that we saw his food.
Oh yeah, he is. He's like, ah!
Is that what he's doing?
Look at my food.
Is that like a piece of chicken?
Probably something.
Over here we have the bald eagle.
He's just kind of staying in one spot.
Yeah,
He's
not
thirsty.
too busy. He is thirsty.
Oh, here we go. Wow, look at those. Jeez. Look at his talons. Kind of can rip you to shreds.
That's his nest.
That's a majestic nest.
It is. It's huge.
Do they get better when they release them into the wild?
I'm not sure.
They
Some
probably
of them
can't
be,
survive.
Like, reintroduced, yeah. This guy's badass though. I think he's my favorite thing yet.
The golden eagle.
I am getting video of Mr. Golden Eagle. Did you know that their habitat is open barren areas to open coniferous forests, especially in mountainous terrain?
Really?
Did you know that?
I did not know that. That's
Now-
impressive.
Now you know. It's the common eagle of the West. It feeds mostly on wading birds such as bitterns and herons, otherwise squirrels, game birds, rabbits, and carrion.
I don't know how you know all that stuff.
I am very intelligent when it comes to raptors and birds of prey.
Well versed in bird.
Yes.
We should throw corn at it.
We should throw Mimi in there.
Coin?
No, not
Mimi would love it.
Mimi would fucking
Think of
love
all
it.
the, she'd be climbing up that pole.
Plenty of places to play.
Again,